The data that can be seen from the scan are images that have overlapped. If bleeding or changes in the gingiva occur during the process, the data might be altered and be different from the original. Especially with the marginal areas, it's rare for it to remain the same from start to end. The final data will be compiled from several different overlapping data. The average value will be assigned and saved. Therefore, the image seen from the scan process and the ones obtained from the final process could be different, so it is important to check the final image data. However, processing all the data and editing all the mistaken data would be time-consuming. Therefore, iScan has an added function where it only processes necessary data. It is the result preview function. Click on the icon, and a green square will appear. Place the area to be processed inside the square. After the model is rotated, amplified, and moved. After it is fixed in position, click the check button below. After the operation is over, the processed data can be viewed. Most are the same as the final data, but there might be some differences in detail since it had been processed within a limited area. Minimize, decrease the model in size. The model to amplify the previewed area.